Hi, have you ever wanted one of those 7-layer dips but couldn't have it because you're vegan or you have dairy problems? You know the ones I'm talking about. They have the refried beans in the bottom, then there's some sour cream, then there's some other ingredients. And well, I just want to tell you that you can make your own. It's very tasty and you can eat it without any worries about having dairy. And this dip I made is completely vegan. So you can have it as a dip for a party or something, or maybe make it into your main meal, which I've done for uh, my meal tonight. So the bottom is refried beans, and you can kind of see that there. And I've added some cumin to give it some extra flavor, warmed it up a little bit. The next level right there I'm pointing to, that has some fresh corn. It's freshly boiled, and then add a little bit of butter to that, or if you're vegan, you add vegan butter or margarine, and strip that off and put on the next layer. Then the layer after that is some salsa. As you can see on the top here, we have some guacamole. Now I just had a small avocado, so I couldn't make as much as I wanted to. If you have a large avocado, you can definitely make a lot more. Add some fresh lime to that, again a little bit of cumin, mash it all up, spread it over the bottom, and it's lovely. And then on top I've added some black olives. Now of course if you don't like olives you don't have to add those, or you could maybe add green olives, who knows. And some cilantro. Cilantro, some people have a love relationship with, others hate it. So again, it's up to you. It's your dip. You can make it how you like. You can add, maybe something else in place of that, maybe some parsley, who knows. You might like that. So I thought, I want to show you that you can make these wonderful dips, and this is something that you could bring to a party or a potluck, and it's something that everybody there can eat, unless of course they have an allergy to something there, or they really don't like cilantro or olives. So it's something that, pretty much everybody can eat, and they're going to love it. So give it a try, and click the link below for some more details, and you can find out more at herbalcollective.news. Thanks for watching. Bye.